Okay, so when you're connecting the temple to the front during the manufacturing process, what you find is that there's a lip. There's always a lip above the temple here. Now in this frame specifically, it's designed to be this way, that there's a lip here. But in most frames, the idea is to have the connection between the temple and the front have no lip, and for it to be seamless. Basically, if your eyes were closed, you run your finger across, it would be seamless. So to go from this to this, it takes many, many polishing wheels of different hardness and different pace to wear down the material to get it level, and then to polish it back up so it matches the rest of the frame. And that's probably the hardest, most technical part of the process.